What's going on, y'all, man? It's LA Rich, and we back with another video, man. And look, today, y'all already know what we got back on this channel, man. Y'all should be used to it by now. But we have, this is Rally 4, the best scenes of rallying. Now, look, this one is probably the most viewed one we have did so far. Now, this video say it's age restricted. So we gonna hope they don't age restrict my goddamn video. Please, 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 okay? YouTube, I'm saying it right now. Do not age restrict my video. This video is straight up for educational purposes only. Remember that. But we gonna see what they got in this damn video, man. I'm honestly excited for this one, man. I know it's this much views for a reason. But hey, before we get into the video, what I want to say is thank y'all for helping me hit 9.4 thousand subscribers. We're up to 9.5 now. I appreciate y'all so much for the love and support y'all show me every single day. It truly mean the most to me. Look, I'm fixing this shit, y'all. I'm making sure this damn my hair don't rub against the mic. But hey, y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know some more videos to react to. And hey, let's do it.
And jump here, caution, 3 right, 1 on the outside. Now watch this up. 3 right, 1 on the outside, and 80 down. Watch the tires. 80 down.
Oh shit.
That's it. Keep it together. Keep it together. Hold it.
Ain't no way he gonna do that.
Watch the car.
How the hell?
Watch the chicane. That's the style. That's the style of her. Keep it together now. No.
Hey, that is a good driving instructor, bro. Real talk. He was able to talk him through that whole thing, man, because, bro, I thought it was over as soon as I seen that first turn when he lost the wheel. But, hey, good job, man. That one sounds nice. Oh, shit. Ooh. Damn. Oh, okay. This video might get age restricted. Look, YouTube, listen to me again. This is not real, okay? This is all scripted and it's fake. Remember that. But hold on. Damn, bro. Oh my goodness, man. This is what I had, man. I think y'all had said it was actually a good amount of people that have passed away from this, man. Hey, RIP, bro. Because this is honestly crazy. Is he on top of somebody? Oh, okay. Why the hell did I just jump, bruh? Why did I just jump, man? Hey, well, y'all got y'all too. Don't even lie, man. Hold on, man. You was going too fast, bro. Jesus. The helicopter following him made it even more hectic. Hey, okay job though. Damn, what happened? Oh shit. What was you doing? Yeah, I like that. Good job. Man, bro, they be flying off that hill. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Come on, bro. Damn. Wait, they got children out there, too, bro? I feel like that's too much of a dangerous spot. Maybe back up a little bit at that. Hold on. Let me see it again. Man, what were you doing? You should have just... Like, gave up or just wait, bro. You gotta look. Come on, bro. That could have been so easily avoided. Keep control, keep control, keep control. Goddamn. Ain't no way he finna keep driving. This dude kept driving. Oh my God, that looked like it was coming straight for them. Get out the way. Whoa, bro, you going crazy fast. Yeah, okay, I like that. Damn, you hit that hill too hard. A great driver right there. Oh yeah, he having fun. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. Man, roads like this get me so much when I watch them driving on them, bro. Like, this probably my most, when they pick spots to race like on these, bro, this is probably my most hated spots when they pick it, bro. Oh. Damn, he flying. Bro got up there. That one had some good control. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Damn.
attention étroit. Frein borne pour gauche 2 et 3, attention. Putain le frein.
Oh my God. Oh, no, that one was bad. That might be the top 5 worst ones I've seen. He ain't have nothing. Like, I don't know what happened, bro. They must have didn't think that this was gonna be this hard of a turn. Damn. Oh my God. No, I don't think that helmet helped on that one. Well, yeah, it did, but I'm saying they hurt, bro.
Telling them to move from this.
What the hell? Oh, I thought that was a real lady. Oh, you put dirt on her? Like, what the hell is going on? Hey, great video. I can see why I got so many views, man. This one probably was the craziest one I've watched so far, bro. But hey, thank y'all for helping me hit 9.4 thousand subscribers and getting me on to 9.5 now. I appreciate y'all so much for the love and support y'all show me every single day. It truly means the most to me. Nonetheless, that's when I close out the video. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know some videos to react to. And it's LA Rich, and I'm getting up out of here. Alright, y'all.
I just got the race, I boost it up, cause I'm not real soon. Shooter ready, go, they ready, blaze, they hit up everyone. Every time I did a give a shit, I still ain't number one. And my pockets filled with money, bitch, like fucking.